Welcome. In this tutorial, we write a small, robust C# program that computes the sum of an integer digits. This is a classic beginner problem that teaches loops, modular arithmetic with modulo, integer division, and simple input validation. I'll show a clear implementation that handles negative numbers and invalid inputs safely. Then walk through how the code works step by step. Ready? Let's go. This problem asks us to break a number down into digits and then accumulate them. We'll take care to, first, handle negative numbers by converting to absolute value. Second, guard against non-integer using int.TryParse. The core idea is repeated extraction of the last digit and truncation until the number becomes 0. Here's a clean, beginner-friendly implementation. We first read the input as a string and pass it safely with int.TryParse. To avoid exceptions, we convert the number to its absolute value so negative numbers behave intuitively. The while loop extracts the last digit with n modulo 10, adds it to the sum, then truncates the last digit with n is not equal to 10. When n becomes 0, we've processed all digits and printed the result. The algorithm is simple and linear in the number of digits. Using int.TryParse prevents invalid input from crashing the program. Math.Abs handles negatives. Inside the loop, we repeatedly peel off the last digit and add it to the sum. This pattern is common in digit manipulation tasks and forms the basis of many numeric algorithms. Here are several test cases. Notice, zeros inside the number do not affect the sum except contributing a 0. 0 itself returns 0, so the loop does not run. Negative inputs are handled by Math.Abs, so negative 123 yields the same result as 123. Try a few extra inputs to get comfortable with the extraction pattern. Summing digits might look trivial, but it's useful. Simple checksum ideas, teaching fundamental algorithms, or detecting odd numeric patterns. It's a great startup problem to practice control flow, and the same patterns appear in hashing, encoding checks, and many coding challenging tasks. To wrap up, this small problem teaches safe input passing and digit handling. If you plan to reuse the logic, extract it into a sum digits method and add unit tests. For very large integers, you may want long or string-based processing. Try implementing the digital root, which is repeatedly sum digit until one digit remains. That's a fun extension. Great work! Keep practicing these small but essential patterns. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.